Want to know how to convert a list into array in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now here in this code, we are converting a list of strings to a regular array. The method we use is toArray with parenthesis new string in it. So here you can see under string array, we have created list.toArray with parenthesis and new string in it. What this does is this simply returns a new array with the same element. This is useful when you need work with APIs or methods that require arrays and not lists. Arrays.toString helps print the array nicely in a one line. So here you can see on the println we have type in arrays.toString, and that's it. You can just run for output to come out, and it's simple and clean conversion in Java. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.